Hey guys, it's Kazuha. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome. So today's topic is gonna be traveling. Do you like to travel? Me? Yes, I do. I used to be a backpacker, so I traveled everywhere in the world with my friends, sometimes by myself. So I have been to 53 countries so far. Just keep going. So my next destination is gonna be Mexico. I used to live there, so I'm so excited to see my friends and also explore the city because it's been a while. Hola mis amigos in Mexico! But I might not be able to go because situation is so crazy now. Anyway, let's get started today's lesson. So please read on my lips and practice the pronouns. Just copy me, okay? Alright, repeat after me. Suitcase, suitcase, suitcase. Very important. Chiketto, chiketto, chiketto. Pasupooto, pasupooto, pasupooto. Intaanationaru, intaanationaru, intaanationaru. Gaidobukku, gaidobukku. Komyunikeeshion, komyunikeeshion, komyunikeeshion. Sukejyuuru, sukejyuuru, sukejyuuru. Rentakaa, rentakaa, rentakaa. Be careful driving in Japan. So narrow everywhere. 気をつけて。OK、次。ビデオ、ビデオ、ビデオ。カメラ、カメラ、カメラ。セルフィー、セルフィー、セルフィー。トラブル、トラブル、トラブル。グループ、グループ、グループ。Alright, so verbs. パッキングする、パッキングする、パッキングする。ガイドする、ガイドする、ガイドする。プランニングする。Oh, so much fun! プランニングする、プランニングする。チェンジする、チェンジする、チェンジする。ブッキングする、ブッキングする、ブッキングする。リストアップする、リストアップする、リストアップする。So if you go to Japan, where would you like to go? 浅草、新宿、池袋、秋葉原。Anyway, アレンジする、アレンジする、アレンジする。ヒッチハイクする、ヒッチハイクする、ヒッチハイクする。Have you done hitchhike? I have in Hawaii. Long time ago. Not anymore. I'm kind of scared. Did you know any words before? Anyway, you need to practice. Practice is everything. You need to watch my video again and try to copy my pronunciation. And you don't need any Japanese friends. Just practice by yourself how to pronounce. Okay? You have on my videos. Okay? Alright, so the next topic is gonna be finally adjectives. So of course katakana adjectives. So don't miss it. Alright, so I hope you like this video and then please make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Mata ne! I'm gonna go shopping. バイバイ